Tim was awesome.
He was very energetic.
I am at loss of words of how good this presentation was.
I really loved the energy he brought to the room and really enjoyed how very quickly he was able to engage us.
He made it a collaboration between the people watching. He brought in a lot of humor. He got us excited, off our feet.
I felt like he was there talking directly to me at all times. It's like I got a personal lesson right out of him.
We weren't just sitting the whole time, we were participating, which was a lot of fun when you're part of the presentation versus just watching.
He actually talked about a lot of aspects and topics that we touch on daily basis and what we face every single day from challenge and how we overcome that.
He had really done his homework. So it was so really refreshing to make sure that we had a presenter that knew exactly what we were there for and brought all the content back to what we were doing.
The balance between structure and being flexible, and also taking care of others while taking care of yourself as well. And this is one of the things I'm going to focus on.
It doesn't have to be either or neither or. It could be like this and that.
For me, it was empowering my team. I think I do a lot of things on my own and I don't empower. And I think I need to do that when I get back, work as more of a collaborative team versus me doing a lot of the grunt work myself.
The fact that some of it was him speaking to us, some of it was him asking us to speak with our colleagues within the room, asking us to get up and walk to either side of the room and really getting the opportunity. So the fact that he had so many different ways of getting us to learn and hear what he was going to be saying is really helping me to understand a lot of the positivity I can take away, again, into 2025 and in my goals for really moving forward.
He left a lot of us provoked with what we're going to do in terms of changes when we get back to our respective offices.
If you want to inspire your group, Tim is the guy.